Hi, and welcome to COM125 Interpersonal Communication. My name is Marlene Adzima, and I will be your instructor for this course. I'd like to take a few minutes to show you around the class so that you know where to find everything and can ensure that you have a successful experience. Our course runs Monday through Sunday each week, and the first thing you want to do each week is start on this course homepage. And when you click on this course homepage, you will see each week's announcement. So for example, here's the announcement for week 1, and you'll see there's all kinds of important information here. So make sure that you read the whole announcement each week. You'll go down and find learning objectives, some instructional content, etc. Next, the tab up here is Content, and if you click on the Content tab, you'll see several different modules here on the left. So take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with all the different modules as you look through the course this first week. And you'll see here there's links to the different assignments that we have in class, PowerPoints for the chapters, extra credit options, Red Rocks Writing Center, and then you'll see up here there's links to each week's module. So each week you want to click on that week's module, and at the top you'll see a link to the to-do list for that week. So if you click on that, you'll get a list of what's happening that week. You can then click back on week 1 here, or the back arrow on your computer screen to go back to the previous screen. And then you'll see here different assignments and discussions for that week. If there's something like a quiz, you'll see it linked here, etc. So we'll take a look at another week. You'll see here same format to do, a discussion question, a quiz. And so you can link straight to quizzes or assignments from that week. So for example, if I was doing this quiz, I would click on Start Quiz, or I can go right back here to week 4 to see what else is going on that week. Same thing with assignments. You'll see it here. There's a drop box here for the assignment, and you can go back to that week and take a look at everything that's due. So that is under the Content tab. Here's a list of everyone in our class. If you click on this, my name's at the top, and you can actually check my name right here and click on Internal Message to send me an email, and it'll pop up with an email screen. So just make sure that you include your name in the email, because you can see here it just does first initial last name, and so it's really helpful for me if you just include your first and last name in the email. Next is the Discussions tab, and all these discussions are linked in the content in each week's module, but you can also find them here. So discussions, assignments, and quizzes will all be linked in each week's content module, or you can access them from these tabs along the top. So if you scroll down here, you can see here the discussion rubric, and then the different discussion questions for each week. Our weekly course, as I said previously, runs Monday through Sunday. So for each discussion, you're required to post 3 responses, 1 initial response due by Wednesday, and then 2 peer responses due by Sunday. And you'll notice for each discussion question, there's specific information that you need to address in your initial response, and then additional information that needs to be addressed in the peer responses. So just make sure you read that thoroughly and let me know if you have any questions. The Assignments tab is where you'll find links to assignment drop boxes. So you'll see here the different assignments. I also put copies of the assignments there. You'll also find them in the weekly module and under the Content tab. That duplication is just to ensure that you have clear access to what you need to do. So you'll see here when you submit an assignment, so this will be your first written assignment, you'll just click here on Add a File, grab a file off of your computer. Once you've grabbed that file, you'll click Submit. D2L will actually email you a confirmation up here that you have submitted your assignment. So I think that's pretty handy, just so that you have that documentation. Here's a link to our quizzes. We have 4 graded quizzes in this class on the chapter content and a syllabus quiz due the first week. And then here's where you can see your grades. So as I put grades in, you should be able to see what you've scored, and you should actually be able to see your cumulative grade as well. So that is an overview of the course. We'll go back to the course homepage. Please feel free to email me and reach out to me if you have any questions at all about the class or any of the assignments. And I'm looking forward to a great class. Thanks.